Many people are unaware that thoughts emit distinctive frequencies. Scientists have found that our thoughts and emotions radiate an energy field that aligns with our current vibration. This means that your feelings are continually influencing those around you. Every thought you produce transmits electromagnetic signals that ripple across the fabric of reality. While you are intrinsically linked to this expansive network, you might not have learned how to intentionally harness this power. That's where I come in to guide you. When you repeatedly focus on a particular thought, whether it's visualizing a new car, the finances you need, building a successful business, or meeting your soulmate, you emit that thought's frequency consistently. These thoughts act like magnets, pulling similar energies back to you. Your prevailing thoughts or mental attitudes serve as magnets, drawing conditions that match their nature. As you think, your thoughts are projected into the universe, magnetically attracting similar frequencies. Everything you send out returns to its source, which is you. Think of it like this. A television station broadcasts signals at specific frequencies, which are then transformed into images on your TV screen. While the exact workings might be a mystery to many, we know each channel has a frequency, and by tuning into it, we receive the corresponding visuals. You are akin to a human transmission tower, more powerful than any television tower ever created. The images you receive are not on a screen, but are manifestations in your life. If you wish to change your life, you must alter the channel and frequency by changing your thoughts. When you focus on living in abundance, you consciously direct your life through the law of attraction. It's a straightforward process, yet many wonder why not everyone is living their dream life. The key reason is that people often concentrate more on what they don't want rather than what they do want. It's vital to be mindful of your thoughts and words, as the law of attraction is absolute and infallible. An epidemic, more pervasive than any plague, has been ongoing for centuries. The don't want epidemic. People perpetuate it by predominantly thinking, speaking, and acting on what they don't want. However, this is the generation poised to change history, equipped with knowledge that can liberate us from this cycle. You can be a pioneer in this transformative movement by simply focusing on what you want. The law of attraction is a natural law, impartial to good or bad. It receives your thoughts and reflects them back as your life experiences. It gives you precisely what you think about. Remember, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's advice to imagine and live the life you desire right now. He emphasized that the law of attraction is obedient. By focusing your intention on what you want, the law of attraction will align the right people, situations, and circumstances to bring about your desires. Focusing on what you don't want can inadvertently lead to those very outcomes manifesting in your life. This is because the universe, guided by the law of attraction, does not interpret negative terms or negations in the way we might expect. For instance, if you constantly find yourself thinking, "I don't want to be late," this thought is essentially stripped of its negation by the law of attraction, and what remains is the focus on being late. As a result, the universe responds to the essence of your thought, being late, rather than the intention behind it. The law of attraction operates on the principle that energy attracts like energy, and it does not distinguish between positive or negative desires. Therefore, when you focus on what you don't want, such as being late, you are inadvertently sending out a magnetic signal that draws similar energies and circumstances to you. This is because words of negation, like don't, not, or no, are not part of the language the universe understands. Instead, it tunes in to the core idea or emotion behind your thought, amplifying it into your reality. Quantum physicists suggest that the entire universe arose from thought. You shape your life through your thoughts and the law of attraction, as does every person. This law has always been at work, whether you're aware of it or not. Understanding this law reveals the immense power you possess to create your life through your thoughts. We are constantly thinking, whether we're speaking, listening, reading, or recalling memories. Even as we sleep, the forces of attraction continue to work on our last thoughts before we drift off. Therefore, it's crucial to end your day with positive thoughts. Try the 5-5 formula. Take a deep breath for 5 seconds. Hold it for 5 seconds. Then exhale for 5 seconds. And repeat this 5 times. As you do, reflect on the positive aspects of your day, or visualize the good things you want to happen tomorrow. Conclude with gratitude by saying, "Thank you," 3 times. I hope you found this video insightful. Stay tuned for more in our upcoming videos. In the meantime, if you have any questions or wish to arrange a private consultation with Manoj, feel free to reach out. If you've experienced positive changes by applying the principles discussed, please share your experiences in the comments. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and share them with friends and family who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.